ki Nongshong Shnong jong ka Shnong Maikhuli ki laya lumlang henne kasngi ban Iakhih Pyrshah ya ka soskular balasoi hapdeng ka sarkar Maikhuli bat ka sarkar Assam hakaba yadei bat ka Jingpynbeit ya uput usam ka Jylla ka Iakhih Pyrshah jongki ka long Halor ka Jingpynthop ya ka pungdokha ka bala ai Jingmento ya ki Nongshong Shnong ki basa ha Maikhuli ka ba hadian jong ka jingate soskular kala hab sha ka Jylla Assam ki Nongshong Shnong kilami shiki surok da ka bara igi jingtho bandawa ya ka sarkar Maikhuli ban shimbyang ya kani kapung dokha.
We are not going to give our fishery fund to Assam because it is a well-known our Maikhuli village fishery fund. Now, since more than 50 years we are maintaining. That's why we never going to surrender to Assam. It is the main point. That's why we are proceeding today. And also we have more time. We have given the memorandum also to our Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister, everyone, Chief Secretary also. I got this memorandum and I have seen this all the points. No, that's why we are protesting here today. I request our Honorable Chief Minister, Konrad Sangma, please look after this matter again and again. We have submitting memorandum also, and earlier we have submitted and details, historical